Hey guys, I'm showing you this preserved red rose artificial with I love you necklace. It's gift for any female that you want to give this. So you can see it comes in a really nice gift box sort of thing. There is a box here as well that you can use. So this is the main box inside. So let me just open this up. So this is a card. You can see this all writing here the messages. This is the main box, so just open this. So this have a small thing and this have a small necklace here. So you can see this small necklace very clearly. So this is the artificial rose that is made very nicely crafted. So you can just preserve like this and the necklace box goes like that. So this is a card that you can give, and these are the handles that you can just put in. So this will actually a good gift, and it comes with all the gift accessories and stuff like a small box, the greeting card and everything. So it's pretty easy for you to give as a gift. So once this is all hand, the handles are made. This can go inside and the greeting card too. So this is basically a very nice and good looking gift box with a artificial rose on the top and a small necklace inside. So it's a nice set. So you can just pack in like this way and just gift it to someone.